Come on, buddy. Let's go this way. Good job. You want to go in the courtyard? This is where the orange cat lives and where the dog attacked Richard once. The dog that was off leash with the kid. Anyway, we're entering that area. Maybe we'll see the orange cat. That's the most likely thing. Actually, the most likely thing is we don't see any other animals, because that happens just as often. Oh, they've got a feeding dish out for an animal. That's against the rules. You're supposed to feed your pets inside. I think they don't want bugs and random stray animals getting into the food. Anyway, thank you for watching.